สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Welcome back to Banana Thai with me ครูสมุก your Thai teacher. In this video, I would like to challenge you to pronounce these 5 most commonly mispronounced Thai words. So, if you already trust in your Thai pronunciation, come let's take this challenge together. But if not, no worries. I will give you tips and techniques to master these 5 Thai words. At least if you master 3, I'm already happy. Alright, let's get started. The first word, the word forget in Thai. What is the word forget in Thai? The word forget in Thai is leuum. And I know that many of you make this sound. Leuum, leuum, or like loom, loom. This is wrong, no? So the challenging part of this word is the vowel sound. Sala sound. And when you want to pronounce the try to not using your lips muscle. Don't try to like pull your lips together. For example, like this. Loom, loom. This is wrong. Relax your lip first. Relax your lips. And just say Put your jaw together. Like, make your jaw closer. Like loom, So this word is leuum, leuum, leuum. Leuum as to forget. Now come to number 2. Number 2 is the word friends in Thai. The word friends in Thai is pêuaan, pêuaan. So for this one, the challenging part is also a vowel sound. And the vowel sound is So there are 2 vowel sounds together. First one is like the first word, no? And the second sound is So together. And you say เพื่อน Try not to pull your lips. As I mentioned before, not เพื่อน not like this is wrong. But instead, relax and try to smile. เพื่อน See, my mouth go like on the side. เพื่อน means friend. Number 3, the word used to or have done something in Thai. It's the word เคย นะคะ And again, the challenging part is also the vowel sound of sala Think about the word number in English. Number,นะคะ sound. If you started to roll your lips together like this, it will turn to be a very bad word in Thai. So make sure that you don't round your lips. Don't, have any tension around your lips. Justเคย the jaw open. เคย For example, ฉันเคยไปเที่ยวญี่ปุ่น ฉันเคยไปเที่ยวญี่ปุ่น I have been to Japan. And now come to number 4. Number 4, the word banana in Thai is the word กล้วย This word, there are 2 parts that you have to focus on. The first part is the beginning consonant sound, and this beginning consonant has 2 consonant sound of g, กอไก่ sound, and l, ลอลิง sound, gl, together as a cluster sound, gl. Make sure it's กอไก่ g, not คอควาย k, เนาะ กอไก่ g, แล้ว g sound in English, gl, นะคะ And the vowel sound is Now mix between 2 vowel sound, sala and sala Now put the beginning consonant sound and vowel sound together. กลัว and end with ยอยักษ์ e sound. กล้วย means banana. ฉันชอบกินกล้วย. I like to eat bananas. And now come to The last one, number 5 of the most commonly mispronounced word, the word money in Thai, which is ngeun, ngeun. The most challenging part of pronouncing this word is the consonant sound, ngô, ngu. Many of you might pronounce this word nun, nun, nun by using n, no, nu sound instead of ng, ngô, ngu sound. I know these two sounds sound very similar, especially the mouth shape is the same, but the origination where the sound start or the sound is originated are different. So let's take a look at this photo. So first one, I want to show you n, no, nu sound, like n sound. This sound is pronounced when you put your tongue, mid of your tongue together with the hard palate or the roof of your mouth. N, n, n. This is n sound, no, nu sound. But ngô, ngu, it's a bit challenging because in your language, you might not, have this sound and you might not ever use this muscle before. It's a muscle inside of your mouth, right here, before your throat. So, you try to squeeze that part, this part, and say ng, 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 ng. The word king, king, the king. Just say king, ng, 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 ng. Do you feel it? And then, after that, it comes with the vowel sound of sound, like number, sound. Ngeun. And you end with no, nu, which is mid of the tongue together with the roof, n. So start slowly, focus. Ng, ngeun, ngeun, ngeun. Make sure that you focus where to start, ng, ng, and where to end, n, n, are the different sounds. And that's it now for the 5 most commonly mispronounced words in Thai. Try all these, and if you can pronounce all, and if my tips help you pronounce these 5 words, please tap down in the comment, got it, with the tongue. But if not, you can just comment the emoji crying. And good news, guys, if you want to learn more about Thai pronunciation, I have a course, Thai pronunciation series, that will help you pronounce consonant sounds, vowel sounds, also tones, and also all of the rules and exceptions for Thai pronunciation. We will go through each sound together. It will be a mix of the theory and exercises. Check out this course on my website, www.bananathaischool.com. I hope to see you in the next lesson. แล้วเจอกันค่ะ บ๊ายบาย